Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we learn standard 9th science unit 21 nutrition and health lesson la book back answer fullave இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். Choose the correct answer. First one, the nutrient required in trace amounts to accomplish various body function is dash. இங்க 4 option கொடுத்திருக்காங்கமா. Which answer correct? Answer C, vitamin. Next, second one, the physician who discovered that scurvy can be cured by ingestion of citrus fruits is dash. Answer A, James Lind. Next, third one, the sprouting of onion and potatoes can be delayed by the process of dash. Answer B, irradiation. Next, fourth one, Food and Adulteration Act was enforced by Government of India in the year dash. Answer B, 1954. Next, fifth one, on internal factor irresponsible for spoilage of food is. Answer C, moisture content in food. Next, second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking dash diet. Answer balanced. Second one, the process of affecting the natural composition and the quality of food substance is known as dash. Answer adulteration. Next, third one, vitamin D is called as dash vitamin as it can be synthesized by the body from the rays of sunlight. Answer sunshine. Next, fourth one, dehydration is based on the principle of removal of dash. Answer water moisture. Next, fifth one, food should not be purchased beyond the date of dash. Answer expiry. Sixth one, AGMARK is used to certify dash and dash products in India. Answer agriculture and livestock. Next, third Roman, state whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, iron is required for the proper functioning of thyroid gland. Answer false. Correct statement, iodine is required for the proper functioning of thyroid gland. Next, second one, vitamins are required in large quantities for normal functioning of the body. Answer false. Correct statement, vitamins are required in small quantities for normal functioning of the body. Next, third one, vitamin C is a water soluble vitamin. Answer true. Fourth one, lack of adequate fats in diet may result in low body weight. Answer true. Next, fifth one, ISI mark is mandatory to certify agricultural products. Answer false. Correct statement, AGMARK is mandatory to certify agricultural products. Next, sixth Roman, give abbreviation for the following. First one, ISI, Indian Standards Institution. Second one, FPO, Fruit Process Order. Third one, AGMARK, Agricultural Marking. Fourth one, FCI, Food Corporation of India. Fifth one, FSSAI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Next, fourth Roman, match the following. Column A, column B கொடுத்திருக்காங்கமா. First one, calcium, muscular fatigue, sodium, anemia, potassium, osteoporosis, iron, goiter, iodine, muscular cramps. இதோட ஆன்சர் பார்க்கலாமா? Answer column A, column B. First one calcium, answer C, osteoporosis. Second one sodium, answer E, muscular cramps. Third one potassium, answer A, muscular fatigue. Fourth one iron, answer anemia. Fifth one iodine, answer D, goiter. Next, fifth Roman, fill in the blanks with suitable answer. Vitamins, dietary source, deficiency disease கொடுத்திருக்காங்கமா. இதில் என்ன calciferol, இங்கே டேஸ், இங்கே ஃபில்லப்ஸ், இதில் என்ன பண்ணணும், நம்ம வந்து ஃபில் பண்ணணும். இங்கே calciferol rickets கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. டேஸ் இங்கே பப்பாயா, நைட் பிளைண்ட்னஸ், ascorbic acid கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ஹோல் கிரைன்ஸ், பெரிப்டே. இதோட ஆன்சர் பார்க்கலாமா? ஓகே, vitamins, dietary source, deficiency disease. calciferol என்ன வரும் விச் ஆன்சர் டேஸில் டேரி ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் வரும். இங்கே ரிக்கெட்ஸ். ரெட்டினால் பப்பாயா நைட் பிளைண்ட்னஸ். அஸ்கார்பிக் ஆசிட் சிட்ரஸ் ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் ஸ்கர்வி. தயமின் ஹோல் கிரைன்ஸ் பெரி பெரி. இதான் இதோட ஆன்சர். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 7th Roman. Assertion and reason type questions. Direction. In the following question, a statement of a assertion is given and a corresponding reason is given just below it. Of the statement given below, mark the correct answer as. 4 options கொடுத்துருக்காங்கம்மா. If both assertion and reasons are true and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. B. If both assertion and reasons are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. C வந்து if assertion is true but reason is false. D. If both assertion and reason is false கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் பார்க்கலாமா. assertion hemoglobin contains iron. reason iron deficiency leads to anemia. இதோட ஆன்சர் என்ன வரும்? இங்கே சூஸ் பண்ணி இங்கே 4 ஆப்ஷனில் நம்ம சூஸ் பண்ணி ஆன்சர் எழுதணும். ஆன்சர் A. If both assertion and reasons are true and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Second one, assertion AGMARK is a quality control agency. Reason ISI is a symbol of quality. Answer B. If both assertion and reasons are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Next 8th Roman. Give reasons for the following statements. First A. Salt is added as a preservative in pickles. Dash. Answer. Salt removes the moisture content and prevents growth of bacteria. So salt is added as a preservative in pickles. Second one B பாருங்கம்மா. We should not eat food items beyond the expiry date. Dash. Answer. We should not eat food items beyond the expiry date because it will be adulterated and may lead to serious health issues. Next, see, deficiency of calcium in diet leads to poor skeletal growth. Dash. Answer. Deficiency of calcium in diet leads to poor skeletal growth because calcium is the major constituent of bone. Next 9th Roman. Answer briefly. First one, differentiate. Differentiate in the kwashiorkor from marasmus. First one ke answer பார்க்கலாமா. kwashiorkor marasmus. First white. If affects children between 1 to 5 years. It affects infants below the age of 1 year. Second point, occurs due to the diet mainly consists of carbohydrates but poor in proteins. Occurs when the diet is poor in carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Next B. Differentiate macronutrients from micronutrients. So differentiation. Answer macronutrients and micronutrients. First point, nutrients required for the growth and development of the body in large quantities are called macronutrients. Micronutrients, so the nutrients required for the growth and development of the body in small quantities are called micronutrients. Next, example calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium and magnesium. இதுக்கு sulfur, iron, chlorine, cobalt, copper, zinc, magnesium, molybdenum, iodine and selenium. Next, second question, why salt is used as preservative in food? Answer, addition of salt removes the moisture content in the food by the process of osmosis. This prevents the growth of bacteria and reduces the activity of microbial enzymes. Next, third question, what is an adulterant? Answer, adulterants are undesirable substances added to the food against the food safety standards. Next, fourth one, name any two naturally occurring toxic substances in food. Answer, toxic substance in certain poisonous mushrooms, prussic acid in seeds of apples and cherry, marine toxins, fish oil poisoning. Next, fifth one, what factors are required for the absorption of vitamin D from the food by the body? Answer, the factor that regulates the absorption of vitamin D is the presence of dairy fat, egg, liver, dairy products, fish, etc. When our body absorbs this fat, is also absorb this dissolved vitamin D. When the sun rays fall on the skin, the dehydrocholesterol is converted into vitamin D. Vitamin D improves bone strength by helping body to absorb calcium. Next, sixth one, write any one function of the following minerals. First one, calcium. Answer, constitute of bones. Second, sodium. Answer, maintains fluid balance. Third one, iron. Answer, important component of hemoglobin. D, iodine. Answer, formation of thyroid hormones. Next, seventh question, explain any two methods of food preservation. Answer, first one, drying. Drying is the process of preservation of food by removal of water moisture content in the food. It can be done either by sun drying, example cereal, fish, or vacuum drying, example milk powder, cheese powder, or hot drying, example grapes, dry fruits, potato flax. Next is drying inhibits the growth of microorganisms such as bacteria, yeast and molds. Second, smoking. In this process, food products like meat and fish are exposed to smoke. The drying action of the smoke tends to preserve the food. Next, eighth one. What are the effects of consuming adulterated food? Answer. Consumption of these adulterated foods may lead to serious health effects like fever, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, gastrointestinal disorders, asthma, allergy, neurological disorder, skin allergies, immune suppression, kidney and liver failure, colon cancer, and even birth defects. Next, answer in detail. First one, how are vitamins useful to us? Table the sources, deficiency disease and symptoms of fat soluble vitamins. Answer. Vitamins are the vital nutrients required in minute quantities to perform specific physiological and biochemical functions. Vitamins, dietary source, deficiency disorder and symptoms. Vitamins, sources. First, tablet column போடணுமா? Okay, the fat soluble vitamins. First one, vitamin A, retinol. Sources, carrot, papaya, leafy vegetables, fish, liver oil, egg yolk, liver dairy products. Deficiency disorders வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா xerophthalmia, nyctalopia, night blindness, dryness of cornea, unable to see in the night, dim light, scaly skin. Next, vitamin D, egg, liver, dairy products, calciferol. Vitamin D வந்து calciferol, egg, liver, dairy products, fish synthesized by the skin in sunlight, rickets in children, bowlegs, defective ribs, development of PG and chest. Vitamin E, tocopherol, whole wheat, meat, vegetable oil, milk. Sterility in rates, reproductive abnormalities, sterility. Vitamin K, derivative of quinone, leafy vegetables, soya beans, milk. Blood clotting is prevented, excessive bleeding to delayed blood clotting. Next, second question. Explain the role of food control agencies in India. Answer. Food quality control agencies, ISI, AGMARK, FPO, FCI and other health departments enforce minimum standards for the consumer products. FCI, Food Corporation of India, was set up in the year 1965 with the following objectives. Effective price support operations for safeguarding the interest of farmers, distributing food grains throughout the country, maintaining satisfactory levels of operational and buffer stock of food grains to ensure national security, regulate the market price to provide the food grains to consumers at reliable price. Food control agencies, their standards, marks and role in food safety பார்க்கலாம். இந்த டேபிளர் காலம்ல ISI mark. First one, ISI, Indian Standard Institution, known as Bureau of Indian Standard, BIS, certifies industrial products like electrical appliances like switches, wiring cables, water heater, electrical motor, kitchen appliances, etc. Next, AGMARK, agricultural marking, certify agricultural and livestock products like cereals, essential oils, pulses, honey, butters, etc. Next, FPO, fruit process order, certifies the fruit products like juice, jams, straws, canned fruits and vegetables, pickles, etc. Next, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, responsible for protecting and promoting the public health through regulation and supervision of food safety. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.